Now question number 16. Total amount of profit is rupees 60,720. Let A, B, C are partners and the ratio of profit to be divided between them is 2, 3 and 7. So the sum of ratio is 12. The question is that 60,720 is the profit and A, B, C are three partners. This amount is to be divided between all these three partners. How we can do this? First of all, find sum of ratios. Sum of ratio is 12. Now A's share 2 by 12. There are the sum means total shares are 12 and A will get 2 shares, 2 out of 12. So multiply it with total amount. Similarly, B's share B's ratio is 3 out of 12. And in the same way, C's share is 7 out of 12. Now we will solve all these to get the shares of A, B, C. Now first of all, divide this 12 with this number. Now let us see what is the number. You must also calculate it. 6720 divided by 12. We get 5060. Multiply this 2 and we get the answer 10,120 rupees. Again we get 5060. Multiply it with 3 and we will get 15,180 rupees. Now here again we get 5060 and we will multiply it with 7 and we would get rupees 10,180 and this is the answer. It means that each partner will get these amounts: 10,120, 15,180 and 35,420. So that the angles are A, B, C and D. Now the sum of ratios of angles is equal to 360. We know that in a quadrilateral, if we sum all the angles, we get 360. This is sum of angles. Now we know that ratio of the angles is 3, 4, 6, 7. First of all, find sum of ratio. Seven and 6, 13, and 4, 17, and 3, 20. It means sum of ratio is 20. Now we can easily find out angles. So angle A is equal to, its ratio is 3. So 3 by 20 multiplied by sum of angles. In the same way, we will write angle B. Its ratio was 4. So 4 out of 20 multiplied by 360. Angle C is equal to, its ratio was 6 out of 20 multiplied with 360. And angle D is, ratio is 7 out of 20, so multiplied by 360. Now in this way we can calculate all these angles. Now let us solve it. 0 will be cancelled, 2 18s are. In the same way we will cancel all of these. Now multiply numerators with 18. 3 multiply 18 will be 54. There will be 72. Angle C will be 108 and angle D will be 126 degree. Because these are angles, so we must write degree sign. These are the degree signs. So I think you have understood it. इस क्वेश्चन में देखेंगे क्वाड्रिलेटरल है. क्वाड्रिलेटरल में 4 एंगल होते हैं, एंगल ए बी सी और डी. और क्वाड्रिलेटरल में टोटल सम जो होता है एंगल्स का, यानी एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी प्लस एंगल डी, ये होता है 360 डिग्री. तुम्हारे पास सम ऑफ एंगल्स है 360. जिस तरह टोटल अमाउंट होती है, टोटल रुपीस होते हैं, टोटल प्रॉपर्टी है, इसी तरह यहाँ पर टोटल एंगल है. और इन तमाम की रेशो, कोई एंगल छोटा है कोई बड़ा है, तो इसमें जो है रेशो है 3, 4, 6 एंड 7 की. तो सबसे पहले हम हर क्वेश्चन में क्या करते हैं, सम ऑफ रेशो फाइंड करते हैं. सम ऑफ रेशो हमारे पास 20 आ गई. फिर जो भी हमने एंगल फाइंड करना है उसकी रेशो के साथ इस 20 को डिवाइड करेंगे. यानी पहले एंगल की रेशो थी 3, हमने 3/20 लिखा है. फिर 4 है, फिर 4/20 लिखा है, फिर 6 है, फिर 6/20 लिखा है. तो इस तरीके से हम सॉल्व करते हैं.